So I am studying abroad this term and I'm really excited because it's the last thing I have to do for my graduation requirements, and then I am officially an OSU grad. I'm really excited. I'm going to be in London for 3 weeks, and before that I go to Paris and Madrid, and I'm going to be spending some time with my friend who I met through an exchange program when I was an exchange student a few years ago. I'm really excited to go back, but I've never been to Paris, so that's going to be brand new. I know she's been there a few times, so I'm kind of hoping she'll be like my tour guide a little bit, but I obviously had to go to Disneyland Paris, obviously. So I'm planning to do that one of the days, and I'm really excited because it's got that castle that's so pretty, but I thought I'd do a packing with me video and kind of show what I was going to be bringing because I'm going to be gone for a whole month, so that's kind of a long time to have to fit into one suitcase. So I'll show you what I came up with. So I tried to pick out a few just fun outfits for just walking around the different cities. I got this white dress from Aritzia and I thought I'd wear it to high tea because we're going to be doing that in London. I was originally going to wear it for my graduation, but I didn't end up walking, so I'm glad it's going to be put to use. I thought it'd be really cute. And then I tried to pick out a few different colors. I kind of wear a lot of white, so I wanted to go with, some blues, orange, bold for a redhead, I know, but it's gonna be cute, I think. I wanted to pick out some just everyday outfits, just for walking around, going to class, and just doing some fun stuff. So I got some Aritzia shorts that I'm really excited about, I love them, and some more fun patterns, some polka dots, some checkers, some pearls, so I thought I'd get kind of a mix of just casual and just cute. I also got a few different shoe options because I'm going to be walking around a ton, but I didn't want to take up too much space, so I thought just a nice little variety. I needed some business shoes, but I couldn't really find any I liked, so I'm bringing those, but hopefully I'll be able to shop around and buy some cute ones while I'm abroad. And I'll be gone for a month, so who knows what the weather's going to do in London especially, so I just got a few warm outfits and then a kind of fun business outfit for when we're going to see different companies. Since I'm going to be a performer at Disney, I wanted to make sure that I'm staying in shape since a month is kind of a long time to not have a gym, so I decided to pack some running shoes, of course, and then I have a few workout outfits, and then I also decided to bring some resistance bands because I thought that'd be just a really light thing to pack and then easy to just do 15 minutes a day in the mornings of just some push-ups, sit-ups, and workouts with the resistance bands just to add a little bit of an extra challenge and make sure I stay in shape because I'm gonna need it. I saw a really good idea on Allison Biggerstaff's video to put a straw through the necklaces to make sure that they don't tangle, so I thought that was a really cute idea and to make sure they travel well. And then I also saw this photo me and Bea. Bea's right there. I don't know if you can see, but she is from Spain and also her twin, obviously. But we're gonna be going to Paris together and Spain, and I'll also see Monica when I'm there. Got my little Anna and some flowers. So I guess my suitcase has to be under 60 lateral inches, but this seems gigantic, so I think it'll be fine. But I've got my backpack for going to class, my mini backpack, which normally has my camera in it, but I'm obviously using it. It's got like all my little mini tripods and my lenses, and then my textbook, and I almost forgot that they don't have the same outlets, so luckily my instructor reminded me, and it's got one for London and one for the rest of the countries, so hopefully they work because otherwise that would suck. And then obviously the essentials, and a little water bottle for the airplane so I stay hydrated. I got all the beauty essentials. My hair is a monster, so much needed. And then I put all the liquids just separate because they make you do that anyway, but I got all the little minis, so yay for those Birch boxes because those came in clutch. But I also remembered contacts, which I always forget, and earplugs just in case, little mini dry shampoo so I don't have to deal with my monster hair all the time. So I think we're good to go. And then I got all my little minis in my makeup bag too, so should be set. And lastly, brought my Minnie Mouse ears because obviously I'm going to Disneyland Paris and I'm really excited, but I'm not sure which ones to wear, so I haven't decided what I'm gonna actually wear. Disneyland Paris, but I thought about just not bringing any and buying some there because I thought they'd have different merch, but I'll probably just buy them anyway because you can never have too many meat ears, so we'll see. Probably come home with more ears than I left with, but that's okay because they'll come in handy on my DCP, so yeah, I'll have to decide soon, but whatever. So that's all my stuff that I'm bringing to London, Paris, and Madrid. I probably forgot like 5 things, so if you think of something, feel free to comment, but I'll probably left by then, but just buy it there, I guess, so we'll see. I'll obviously need sunscreen. Try not to get burnt, but other than that, I think I'm covered, so hopefully I'll be good to go, and I'm just really excited, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, but see you in 4 weeks, America, and then I'll go to Florida, so woohoo! Honestly, high-key, just remembered I should probably find my passport, so I'm gonna go do that. Found it, we're good.